Hello, everybody. This is Vivek, along with my team, presenting this video. This is part one of SQL Programming video series. Today, we are going to discuss one of the key skills required for BA programmers, that is SQL Programming. So, we will be looking into the importance of the SQL programming and what are the various functionalities can be performed by SQL programming in business intelligence. Let us discuss about how a SQL can help business systems. So we all know business intelligence systems works exclusively on organizations' historical data, and this data is stored in data warehouses. And if you go down, which in turn is stored in numerous facts and dimensional tables on a dimensional modeling architecture. To access these data from any of these tables from the warehouse, we need to have strong knowledge on SQL programming. Otherwise, the efficiency of data access will go down since we are working on the huge data. An efficient SQL can get the data quickly and makes your BI systems perform better. Some other functionalities we do with the SQL on business intelligence area is first is data extractions. So BI systems needs data from different sources for building reports or dashboards. Modern BI systems are very good in connecting to different data sources and get the data for business systems. Then why do we need SQL for data extractions? There could be many scenarios where we may need to limit the data on some conditions before getting the data inside the BI tool. In that case, SQL would be the best option. Using SQL, you can get the data from different sources. We need to write efficient SQL which can run in an optimized manner to get the data. So we need to use right joins to avoid duplicate rows getting into the BI tools like Tableau or Power BI. Once our SQL gets the data in a quicker manner, our BI reports performs well. Most of the time during optimization of any BI report, whether it could be a Tableau or Power BI, the very first step what we look is the data source query, and we identify if there is any issue with the queries which could improve the performance of the report. If data extraction query runs very well, our report rendering time is reduced greatly. So in our slide, we are extracting data from three different tables. We can use a lot of conditions, and this extraction process reduces the overhead on the BI systems since everything is done external to the BI systems before loading the data. Next is the data quality. So data quality steps can be performed by part of data profiling in modern BI systems. We can perform a data cleaning prior to loading the data into the BI systems using SQL. So using SQL, we can perform data cleaning, which is one of the most important step in building the KPIs or the key performance indicators. So how the functions does as part of data quality is we remove duplicates from while data extracting. Sometimes we join multiple columns using concatenations like a name column, first name, second name, and sometimes we aggregate the measures like aggregating the sales data with the region or country wise. Sometimes we filter the data based on some conditions. These data quality activities performed by SQL is very efficient since these activities are done external to the BA systems, it reduces a lot of overheads. So writing a efficient SQL to perform this kind of data quality steps is a key success to for your dashboard or BI reporting systems. The next step is data validations. Data validations um, is performed for any BI report you develop, report or dashboard you develop. So we once we develop a dashboard, we need to verify all the KPIs or the charts are showing the right numbers or not. For this purpose, we need to write an efficient SQL against your data sources to compare the values. So many times business users, when they see some numbers goes wrong, they write quickly write a SQL to verify the data. Sometimes we even complex measures to verify the complex measures output. In that case, also we write SQLs to validate the data. And many times we compare the volume of data from the data source and in the BI systems. The next area where we predominantly use SQL programming is the creating ad hoc reports for business. There are many times business may require reports which may not be complex visualization reports, simple reports like raw data. In this case, as shown in the slide. In this case, we just write a SQL and extract the data into a spreadsheet and deliver to the business for them to analyze the data. So these areas, this is which reduces a lot of efforts in creating visualization tools, and this helps the business also to quickly analyze any small number of data for their decision making. So with this, we are coming to the end of this video series. Thank you for joining, and in this series, we'll be covering all the SQL topics from beginner level to the advanced level. Thank you.